Flatten an irregular, arbitrarily nested list of lists. Yes, I know this subject has been covered before. Python idiom to chain, flatten, an infinite iterable of finite iterables. Flattening a shallow list in Python. Comprehension for flattening a sequence of sequences. How do I make a flat list out of a list of lists? But as far as I know, all solutions, except for one, fail on a list like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, where the desired output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or perhaps even better, an iterator. The only solution I saw that works for an arbitrary nesting is found in this question. Is this the best approach? Did I overlook something? Any problems?
Using generator functions can make your example easier to read and improve performance. Python 2. Using the iterable ABC added in 2.6. Python 3. In Python 3, base string is no more, but the tuple, str, bytes, gives the same effect. Also, the yield from operator returns an item from a generator one at a time.
My solution. A little more concise, but pretty much the same.
Generator using recursion and duck typing, updated for Python 3.
Here is my functional version of recursive flatten, which handles both tuples and lists, and lets you throw in any mix of positional arguments. Returns a generator which produces the entire sequence in order arg by arg. Usage.
Generator version of it Anutbu's non-recursive solution, as requested by Andrew in a comment. Slightly simplified version of this generator.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.